Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the biggest headaches after a car accident, challenges with insurance claims processing. Dealing with paperwork and insurers can be stressful, but at Arts, we make it easy and seamless. Let me tell you about Mia, a local teacher who came to us last month. Her 2019 Toyota RAV4 had a dented rear bumper from a fender bender. Mia was overwhelmed by the idea of navigating her insurance claim, fearing delays and complications. We took over, contacting her insurer, handling all the paperwork, and keeping her updated. Our team fixed her RAV4 to perfection, and her claim was processed smoothly. Mia said, "Arts made the insurance process so easy. My car looks brand new." Here's how we help. We work directly with most major insurance companies, streamlining claims to save you time and hassle. From estimate to repair, our Pomona team ensures your claim is handled efficiently with top quality results. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we take the stress out of insurance claims. Need a repair that's insurance friendly? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. Ready for hassle-free insurance claims? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, smooth claims, quality repairs.